Taxonomic categories. Classification is not a single step process but involves hierarchy of steps in which each step represents a rank or category. Since the category is a part of overall taxonomic arrangements, it is called taxonomic category and all categories together constitute the taxonomic hierarchy. Each category referred to as unit of classification in fact represents a rank and is commonly termed as taxon and taxa. Taxonomic characters and hierarchy can be illustrated by an example. Insects represents a group of organisms sharing a common features like three pairs of jointed legs. It means insects are recognizable concrete objects which can be classified and thus were given a rank or category. Can you name other such group of organisms? Remember, groups represent category and category thus denote as a rank. Each rank or taxon in fact represents a unit of classification. These taxonomic groups and categories are distinct biological entities are not merely morphological aggregates. Taxonomic studies of all known organisms have led to development of common categories such as kingdom, phylum or division. For plants is division is from plants, class, order, family, genus and species. All organisms including those in the plants and animal kingdoms have a species as the lowest category. Now the question you may ask is how to place an organism in various categories. The basic requirement is the knowledge of characters of an individual or group of organisms. This helps in identifying similarities and dissimilarities among the individuals of the same kind of organism as well as other kind of organisms. And next, species. Taxonomic studies consider a group of individual organisms with fundamental similarities as a species. One should be able to distinguish one species from the other closely related species based on the distinct morphological differences. Let us consider Magnifera indica, Solanum tuberosum, potato, Panthero leo, line. All the three names indica, tuberosum and leo represents the specific epithets, while the first words Magnifera, Solanum and Panthera are the genera and represents another higher level of taxon or category. Each genus may have one or more than one specific epithets representing different organisms but having morphological similarities. For example, the Panthera has another specific epithet called tigris, and the Solanum includes species like nigrum and melongena, and human beings belongs to the species known as sapiens, which is grouped in the genus called Homo. The scientific name thus for the human beings is written as Homo sapiens. Next, genus. The genus comprises a group of related species which has more character in common to comparison to the species of the other genera. We can say that genera are aggregated of closely related species. For example, potato and brinjal are the two different species but both belongs to the genus Solanum. Lion, Panthera leo, leopard, Panthera pardus, tiger, Panthera tigris, with several common features for all species of the genus Panthera. This genus differs from another genus Felis, which include cats. Next 1.3.3 family. The next category, family, as a group of related genera with a still less number of similarities are compared to the genus and species. The family are categorized on the basis of the both vegetative and reproductive features of the plant species. Among plants, for example, three different genera, Solanum, Petunia and Datura, are placed in the family known as Solanaceae. Among animals, for example, genus Panthera, comprising lions, tiger, leopard is put along with the genus. Next, Felis, it's cats in the family Felidae. Similarly, if you observe the features of the cats and the dogs, you will find some similarities and some differences as well. They are separated into two different families, Felidae and Canidae, respectively. Next, and it is 1.3.4 order. You have seen earlier that characters like species, genus, and families are based on the number of similar characters. Generally, order and other higher taxonomic characters are identified based on aggregates of characters. Order, being a higher category, is the assemblage of families which exhibit a few similar characters. The few similar characters are less in the number as compared to different genera included in a family. The plant families like Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae are induced in the order Poleminoids, mainly based on floral characters. The animals order carnivore includes the families like Felidae and Canidae. Next class. This character includes related orders. For example, order Primata comprising monkey, gorilla and gibbon is placed in a class Mammaliae along with the order Carnivore. That includes animals like tiger, cat and dog. Class Mammalia has other orders also. Phylum. Classes comprising the animals like fishes, amphibians, reptiles, birds, along with mammals constitute the next higher category called phylum. All these based on the common features like presence of notochord, dorsal hollow neural system are included in the phylum chordata. In case of plants, classes with few similar characters are assigned to higher category called divisions. Kingdom. All the animals belong to various phyla are assigned to highest category called kingdom Animalia in the classification of system of animals. The kingdom Plantae on the other hand is distinct and comprises the all plants from various divisions. Henceforth, we will refer to these two type of groups as animals and plant kingdoms. The taxonomic characters from species to kingdom has been shown in the ascending order in the picture with starting with the species and the figure 1.1. You can see that species, genus, family, order, class, phylum are division in plants and kingdom. While going to species to kingdom, the number of characters, the common features of the characters are decreases. They are broadly categorized. However, the taxonomic have also divided subcategories in the hierarchy to facilitate more sound and scientific placement of various taxa. Look at the hierarchy in the figure. You can recall the basis of arrangements. For example, we go higher from species to kingdom. The number of common characters goes on decreasing. The lower the taxa, more are the characteristics that the members within the taxa share. Higher the category, greater is the difficulty of determining the relationship to the other tags at the same level. Hence, the problem of classification has become more complex. You can see the table here. It's a organisms with their taxonomic categories. The examples here are man, housefly, mango, wheat. Man biological name is Homo sapiens, genus is Homo, family is Hominidae, and order is Primata, and class is Mammalia, and the phylum is Chordata. Next. Housefly biological name is Musca domestica, and genus is Musca, and family is Musidae, and the order is Diptera, and class is Insecta, and the phylum is Arthropoda. Next, mango. Biological name is Magnifera indica, genus is Magnifera, and the family is Anacardiaceae, and the order is Sapindales, and the class is Dicotyledon, and the division is Angiospermae. Wheat. Triticum aestivum is the biological name, and the genus is Triticum, and the family is Poaceae, and the order is Poles, and the class is Monocotyledone, and the phylum is Angiospermae.